Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Control from anywhere, Wi-Fi enabled, no hub required. You can use the QuickSet app to remotely lock and unlock, share guest access, view activity history, and more. Note: measure your door's backset, crossbar and thickness to ensure you find the right fit. Share access with guests. Backlit touchscreen with support for up to 250 access codes. Use the QuickSet app to schedule access windows or share one-time codes with guests. Smart home integration. Works with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Control your lock with your voice. Create smart home automations. And manage all your devices. Intrusion detection. Instant notifications in the QuickSet app alert you of any unusual lock activity, including invalid code attempts or lock tampering. Auto lock security. Set a duration for your door to lock automatically after entry or exit. Perfect for keeping your hands free and getting in and out in a hurry. Easy install. Do it yourself. Installs in minutes with just a screwdriver. Fits doors between 1-3/8 and 1-3/4 thick. Product warranty. Locks and handles have a lifetime mechanical and finish warranty, and a 1-year electronics warranty. See QuickSet warranty for full details. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Secure keyless entry. Fast and quiet motorized deadbolt with illuminated touchscreen provides keyless door entry to your home, and one-touch locking when leaving. Easy programming. Up to 50 customizable user codes and 10 one-time user codes with 4 to 8 digits. Protected by alarm and lockout after 3 incorrect attempts. Easy install. Do it yourself. Installs in minutes with just a screwdriver. Fits doors between 1-3/8 and 1-3/4 thick. 4-hour batteries last 12 months or longer. SMARTKEY security. QuickSet's Smart Key security technology protects against advanced break-in techniques and allows you to rekey your lock yourself in seconds. Auto locking. Set up deadbolt to auto lock after entry or exit. Pick between 30 seconds, 1, 3, 5 or 10 minutes. Perfect for getting in and out in a hurry. Product warranty. Locks and handles have a lifetime mechanical and finish warranty, and a 1-year electronics warranty. See QuickSet warranty for full details. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Note: measure your door's backset, crossbar and thickness to ensure you find the right fit. See more product details. tails, 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 tails. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. Note: measure your door's backset, crossbar and thickness to ensure you find the right fit. See more product details. Pails, 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 pails.